So in terms of how BL.INK brings the GS1 Digital Link to life, there are different components around this, but it's all designed to be simple and easy and to do it again at scale. So BL.INK has three key elements in our delivery process. We have our BL.INK Enterprise platform. So for 16 years, we've been creating branded short links and custom QR codes for our enterprise customers around the world to create these engagement moments. And so our core platform is really the basis for this foundation. And on top of that, we have our GS1 Digital Link Manager, which allows you to create the different templates to feed the different types of GS1 Digital Links, whether it's just a G10, you want to incorporate a batch number, or you want to serialize this and have a different link for a million different products. You can do all those things as well through the Digital Link Manager. And then lastly, our BL.INK CXP product, our customer experience platform, getting into that example of where we can assemble information in real time. So when somebody scans that QR code and pulls in that G10 information, we can do a real-time lookup and assemble that page, pulling in product details, care instructions, product registration, warranty, authenticity details, and really looking at the circularity of that entire product. So whether you have 10 products or 10,000, those can all be assembled in real time, allowing the experience to be done for each and every consumer in that real-time journey without having to build out all the information. We're doing it for you in that workflow, all through the automated systems and APIs. So a few different examples here. We've talked about, again, the resolver domain. So again, going back using your brand, having something unique, using a subdomain off of your core brand, that's going to boost your confidence and trust with the audience, knowing that it's authentic and information can be trusted. Using the G10 information, again, that base identification number that indicates that product. Looking at batch information around, in terms of if you're looking at your product sourcing, which batch does it come from? Serial numbers, if you're creating unique serialized products where you might have a different QR code for each and every one of those products. So if you're looking at, say, washing machines, each one of those could have a unique GS1 digital link with its own serial number that ties back to that particular product. Or if you're looking at food products where you have a best before date, wanting to include all information in real time in those digital links, all that can come together in that unique experience to create, again, that personalized page looking at packaging and expiry information, recycling details, et cetera. So being able to, again, create that end-to-end experience for that consumer really tells that story, and being able to pull all that data in real time makes it easy for everyone. So in terms of some of the capabilities of the platform, so looking at, again, building this out in a way where no coding is required, we can build a template and the structure where it fits the brand. And again, to me, the most important aspect of this is the real-time pulled up data information. So being able to query your product information management system and come back and say, here's the product image, here's the ingredients, here's the sourcing details, here's where it was manufactured, here's the authenticity details, recycling information, and so forth, making sure that everything is compliant, and looking at how we enforce the sustainability components that every organization is really striving to do that. So doing those components quickly and easily at scale across the entire product ecosystem is really critical, especially when you're dealing with potentially tens of thousands of variations or millions of potential serialized products. So looking at the time to market, it's one of the things that's really critical about the process is, and although 2027 feels like it's so far away, it really is just around the corner, especially when you start backing up all the different pieces that are required, be it legal and compliance and finance and the product and packaging and printing, getting all the different pieces moving in that ecosystem, all those little sprockets fitting in just perfectly together. It's really being able to have a platform that can connect all those dots and feed into your existing systems and make sure that everything's working well together, ultimately delivering that ideal GS1 digital link experience that you can build on over time, going back to that crawl, walk, run. Again, we're easing into it, but we want to make sure we have something that we're building on, that foundation we can add to as we go. So there's lots of opportunities to improve the flow, getting the teams involved, make sure everybody is winning in the process, because ultimately, at the end of the day, this can be a win for the consumer, a win for the brand, win for everyone involved, and ultimately add tremendous value to the entire supply chain and ecosystem. So we're excited to be a part of that and assist our customers in really getting to market quickly with the GS1 Digital Link Sunrise 2027.